Hello, my name is Jonathan Putra Agung Arianto. I'm from number student of 2508, 1010, and 130. Today I'm gonna review this movie, the Inception movie. This is famous movie and kinda underrated, and with good storytelling. This is Inception movie is from 2010, directed by Christopher Nolan. Yeah, you know Christopher Nolan. He's make great movie like Interstellar, Oppenheimer, some like a Science movie. The film starts with by Leonardo DiCaprio alongside supporting actor like Joseph Gordon, Elliot Page, and Tom Hardy, Marion Cotillard, and Ken Wannabe, with duration of 150 minutes or maybe 2 hours 30 minutes. The film carries a genres about an action and psychological thriller and some like maybe a science movie. The music is composed by the famous musician is a Hans Zimmer who present intense and dramatic composition. Nah, we tell the first synopsis, yeah. The film start about story Domcom, the external expert who has the ability enter one dream and steal the information. Cop, Cop become international fugitive and was to live away from his children. He's haunted by cult of death of his wife. Yeah, like he's scared about being the truth like that, which appears to dangerous projection in any dream he's entered. One day, he received an offer from businessman the name Saito. Saito didn't ask Cop to steal anything. He asked to do instilling idea other minds through a dream. The target, the influence robot is Robert Fisher, yeah the name. The heir to large energy company. Iskop success the installing the idea. Saito promised all legal charges like he removed all files from Cop, allowing to him to return his family again. So he made a team consisting of Arthur as a technical executor, Aridane as a dream architect, and discuss expert team. They plan idea operation to late dreams, even 3 layer and more deeper like that. However, the mission faced not the Fisher's subconscious resistance, also the malproduction continue to destroy any plan. The biggest conflict is not the technical challenge, but the inner is so struggle and not yet to come to terms with his past. At the end of the day, cops face the trauma of limbo, a dream without boundaries, after facing malprojection and accepting harsh reality of his death. Cop finally managed to complete the mission, and the businessman Saito he keeps promise and Cop returns home. However, the films end with ambiguous skin and Cop's pinning Tatum with no knowing whether he stopped or not living. The theme is film is really maybe you if you don't understand maybe you like ah you know that like reality and illusion. Nolan explore how the dream Christopher Nolan how the dream can be confusing as a real world. Yeah, he tells to the audience the dream is can be like an real world like that. Memory and trauma. Yeah, memory and trauma pursued why Cop is pursued he was memory symboling how emotional trauma can undermine and can make our thinking is too difficult. And there are no grammatical and typographical error in the given text. The movie character has maybe mal despite character and the character, yeah, like that. Despite being mal or Marian Cotillard, despite he being just a projection. Mall possesses the biggest trait of the crop. The mall represents the good of loss as well the deeper side. Robert Fisher as the target. Fisher is portrayed as a lonely man living in under pressure of his father. All character has psychological depth and clear the role in the narrative. Cinematography and the technique. This is the best movie. This the best. Why I call it the best? Christopher Nolan make the great, like maybe great visual technique, cinematography is, if you don't understand, you may be like feel buzzy or fizzy or maybe headache gitu. But if you understand, this movie is so great. You will know that. Like zero gravity fictions, the dream architecture, the transition between dream layer in different color, the time speed, the atmosphere, the music and sound using majestic score by famous musician Hans Zimmer, particularly time provide powerful emotionally, becomes one of the most iconic movie in the decade. Artistic value, the film invite audience to see that human mind is very complex, easy to influence space. Memories can be our strengths and maybe can be our enemy and destroy our anxiety. Escaping toward illusion never bring a solution. And self-forgiveness is important step before person can move on. Nolan used World of Dream is metaphor with a multi-layered psychological acid. It's so great movie. If you understand, you will know that. Because if you don't understand, yeah, maybe you can be fuzzy or maybe you can hate it. Nah, the plot of the film is very original and very clever. The visual execution is remarkable, is amazing, has a good effect, has a powerful musician score. You will know, wow, like wow, this is the best. High quality acting, especially from DiCaprio, Cotillard. The story structure is layered, providing challenging yet satisfying viewing experience. Nah, the shortcoming may be the disadvantage, like and consumption. Some audience or some viewers may be a little bit fuzzy if you don't understand about this movie. Like, if you don't understand about Christopher Nolan movie, because this is about your mind, and the movie is about your how you think about in this film. If you don't understand, don't watch it because you may be headache, fuzzy, or maybe you just like, yeah, it's a boring movie. But if you understand that movie, yeah, it's so great, that movie. I like that. You will understand the plot, the complex, high focus to understand. But overall, it's a powerful cinematic work, blending the philosophical narrative with spectacular visual. It's not about the entertainment. It invite audience reflect the meaning of dream, realities, and memory. Deserve to be called on one best science fiction movie in modern history until now. Thank you for my review. I hope you like it. See you next time.